In this video, I'll show you how to make a list of sequential numbers in Excel. So to do so, you can see I've got a list of names here. I want to put a number next to them. Put number 1 there, put number 2 there. Then select both of the numbers. And you see this little square down the bottom, a little green square. Hover your mouse over it and your mouse pointer will change into a plus. Then using your left mouse button, click and drag down. And you'll see it creates a number sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me show you other things you can do there. Because it's creating sequences, if you created a sequence starting with 2 and 4, and I did the same again, did exactly the same process, it creates a sequence of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it looks for sequences. You can also, and this will be my final one, let's say we had employee numbers of 171 and again 172. If I want to carry on this pattern, so carry on this sequence, do exactly the same again, highlight both of those, little square, see where my mouse cursor changes, drag down, and it follows on the sequence there. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.